Hey guys, so I've been using iOS 26 Beta 2 on my iPhone for a week now, and I want to give you my honest thoughts. First off, you're probably wondering if it's stable. I'd say it's better than Beta 1 for sure on my iPhone 15 Pro. There's still a few bugs, but nothing that's totally breaking the phone. Apps launch quicker, animations feel smoother, and battery life is actually a bit improved. One thing I gotta mention is the new control center tweaks. Apple's changed the blur and it looks cleaner now. Some people might not even notice, but side by side, you can tell it's more polished. Notifications are also snappier. I'm seeing less delays when swiping them away or opening apps from a notification. That's something that drove me nuts on Beta 1. Another cool thing, the Photos app seems faster at indexing. If you're like me and got thousands of pictures, you'd probably notice the difference right away. There are still some glitches though. For example, my widgets sometimes disappear and then pop back after a second. And I had one random restart while playing a game. So yeah, it's a beta. You've got to expect some of that. Overall, if you're already on Beta 1, I'd say you're going to want to update. It's more stable, less buggy, and just feels nicer to use. But if you're still on iOS 18.5, you might want to wait unless you really want to try the new stuff. You can find out the release date for iOS 26 Beta 3 in the next video. Alright guys, that's my quick take on iOS 26 Beta 2. If you got questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.